Hey everyone, today in this video we will see how to add WOW.js. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं WOW.js का यूज है कि like when we scroll the our web page and it's showing animation. So first I click in Google, search WOW.js and I'm searching a CDNA URL. Just I go here and copy. First I am selecting this and paste here JS. Okay, I will set this wow mean JS I have copy. Okay, now we need to JS added. Now I need to animated classes, right? So just I copy URL and paste. And second thing I have add to first is CSS and second is JS. Now come here and check here. Here everything available. Suppose I am using any React, run this command. So now add this one JavaScript. Okay, तो add here new wow करके like I'm adding here is bottom in script tag. Okay, here just I'm added. Now let's go here. Can you see here is some classes added after first I am added this one JavaScript. Okay, actually here is using all of the description. Okay, copy paste and now come the section like where the section is start and then first I am selecting about a section. Come here, select the about us, resume. Okay, this one is a start about a section. So come here and can you see the here is have some classes wow and wow is CSS and second is effect like left side left, right, and this is duration and delay. So I'm just I need also this one. We can change also recording to recording to our requirement. So just I'm checking on scroll it work or not. Here is continuous not coming, right? Is it running the browser? Okay, now scroll. Can you see it's showing, right? Now I am adding another section. So copy this and paste is another section. See the another section, this one. Okay, add the class. Here is a offset. First is a 2 second. Okay, second is a 10 second. And copy. Wow side right. First is a left, second is a right. Can you see here is showing? Now actually I'm going to bottom to top, right? Now I'm coming top to bottom. It's showing it is a nice effect, right? Suppose we want to another effect. What should we do? So simply go to the animate CSS and add here is a only change the side only change the class effect class. Here is not showing, only go to the wow animate CSS. Just I'm searching Animate.css. Click here. Yes, here is showing, right? Here is lot of effect. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe. Please support me at least 1K subscriber. Thank you watching this video.